Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I wanna read some article by Jonathan Cable, Leica Kihara, and Dan Burns. The global economy looks interestingly likely to be heading into a serious slowdown, just the highest inflation in a generation prompts central banks to aggressively respond the ultra-loose monetary policy adopted during the pandemic to support growth, data showed on Friday. Business activity in the United States, the world's largest economy, contracted for the first time in nearly 2 years this month. Activity in the Eurozone retreated for the first time in over a year, and growth in Britain was at a 17-month lows. Purchasing manager survey said on Friday. In another sign for the global economy, Japan's government is expected to sharply cut its forecast for domestic growth. Meanwhile, China's strict COVID-19 lockdown and Russia's invasion of Ukraine have further damaged global supply chains that had not yet recovered from the pandemic. S&P Global on Friday said it preliminarily or less U.S. Composite PMI output index had tumbled far more than expected to 47.5 this month from a final reading of 50 to 52.3 in June. That was the fourth straight monthly drop and was driven by weakness in the service sector, which contracted enough to offset moderate growth in manufacturing, with a reading below 50 indicating business activity had contracted. The report will feed the focal debate over whether the U.S. economy is bound in or near a recession after rebounding sharply from the downturn in early 2020 at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. The preliminary PMI data for July point to a worrying deterioration in the economy. S&P Global Chief Business Economist Sharik Williamson said a statement excluding pandemic lockdown months. Output is falling at a rate not seen since 2009 amid the global financial crisis. In the Eurozone, business activity unexpectedly contracted this month due to an accelerating downturn in manufacturing and a near stalling of service sector growth as bargaining costs pushed consumers to cut back on expenditure, a survey showed. S&P Global Flash Composite Purchasing Manager Index PMI for the Eurozone, seen as a good gauge of overall economic health, fell to 49.4 in July, the lowest since February 2021, from 52 and 52.0 in June. Well below all forecasts in Reuters poll that had predicted a more modest dip to 51.0. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you